How to send a video to your friend on TikTok. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to send videos on your TikTok friends. So first thing you do, you go to TikTok. Now let's say that you want to send this video to your friend on TikTok. All what you have to do is go to the share button right here in the down, and then search for your friend here, or click more and search for him, and then click on it like this and click send. That's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.